It's early this morning. Early, I mean, it's still, the sun hasn't come up yet. It's starting to. Let me show you what I did last night, or 2 days ago, like I promised I was going to in yesterday's video, but didn't get around to it. First coat on all the sheetrock has been done here. So this is one of those scenes. Here's the corners, just your general stuff. So this morning what the plan is, and I wanted to do this first thing because I've got a lot planned for today. There's like 3 projects I want to get done or started on today. One of them is I want to get the sheetrock mud up here finished to the point where I can move on and move on to the next project. Essentially, I've got this, a porch, and a bathroom I want to get started on today. I've come up with a plan for the bathroom that I think is going to work, which is great because it means I can still work on it and have access to it at the same time. So the plan for today is clean this area up, drop some sheetrock mud on it, and let it dry. Obviously, I still have the ceiling and everything that needs to be done. That will have to wait until this dries, but I would like to get the walls finished today. The next plan after that is I have to go to the hardware store. I made a list of all the stuff that I need to finish the porch. On the other side of the house, that will obviously have to wait because then first things first, I need to go knock out all the spindles and mark them and count them to make sure that my numbers are correct. Because I don't want to go spend more money than I need to. You know what I mean? And then from there, once we've got that done, once the porch is finished and I get a little bit of a break in there, maybe, possibly, we'll work on the bathroom. I want to get that sheetrock in there tonight. And doing that is going to involve me taking the doors out and hanging plastic and then taping it off on the side that's facing the shower and also the roof, so that I can still use the shower. At least that's my plan. Hope it works. Kind of the idea. It shouldn't take me too long to get the bathroom finished because I should be able to hang the sheetrock and do all the mudding tonight. That's the plan. Which will get me to the point where I'm working on sheetrock for a little while. Hopefully not very long, but it is what it is. Things must be done. Otherwise, the project doesn't move on. So I've got a busy day. I'm gonna get to it. I'll bring y'all back once there's mud on the walls. Like I said, I'll bring you back once everything was finished up here. This corner has been done probably 4 feet and filled in all the way up. That from there to the electric plugs, same thing there. You get the story. And the same thing all the way around. That being said, it's time to head outside and take apart a porch. So I can put it back together. shopping list has been updated, because I missed something. No surprises there. Yeah, you will have seen the timelines of me destroying it, and then when the next time you see me will be putting it back together. So this will be done hopefully before lunchtime today, so I can move to inside and work on the bathroom the way I need to work on the bathroom. Anyways, I will be back with y'all as soon as I get back from the store.
Alright, so I'm back from the store. This is obviously a different shirt than what I was wearing earlier, because I've already changed shirts twice. Once to go to the store, and then this shirt, because it's hot already. There's all the stuff I need in the back of the truck, and that's the disaster I created from earlier. It's getting used for something. I have plans. So what I'm going to do, is bright. The plan is to get everything cut up, so that way I can just install it all at once. Probably by the time I have everything cut and ready to go, it'll be shady on this side of the house, which will be great. But just because it's shady doesn't mean anything. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. And that's in the shade. So, today's going to be a hot one. A nice little scorcher. The plan is to get this done and go work on the bathroom. See how the day goes.
Alright guys, hey, I'm out here cutting the lumber to finish the spindles for the porch. And I've run into a small problem. Figured out a solution to it. The thing is I need to cut a longer piece of wood, or piece of lumber. It cuts about 54-ish inches, and so to make my life easier, because I don't have another person out here to catch the lumber, I'm using 2 sawhorses. As the catch for the lumber. Alright, just so y'all can see how the cut ended up and worked out, worked the way I thought it would. I just don't have a second person out here to catch longer cuts for me, and so this was the solution that I came up with. It worked out perfectly. So what it's doing is the 2 sawhorses are acting as my other person. They caught the board the way they were supposed to, and so it actually saved my saw blade and me from potentially, getting hurt. So sometimes solutions to problems aren't the normal solution to a problem.
camera battery died during the time lapse, or during my recording for the time lapse. I got all the spindles done. Stairs on the other hand. Well, let's just say I need to finish leveling the house first before I can finish those stairs, because they attach to the house, and that side of the house is like a half-inch out of level over 4 feet. It's kind of a lot. So, I think I found my project for tomorrow. Thankfully, I have pretty much everything I need for that project. Pretty much. I think I have everything I need for the project to level the house. I think. There's one caveat though. I have to replace a beam. Thankfully I can do it. It's just crawling up under the house and actually doing it. Different story. That's easy enough. That's for a different day though. I think though for today I'm done doing construction related work. And I'm probably going to end up mowing my lawn tonight. I just walked through some of it today, and it's good 3/4 of the way up my shin. I mean, we're talking almost a foot tall. It's time to mow it. You might get some more time lapse out of it. We'll see. But for now, I'm going to cool down, take a break, eat some dinner, see what the weather's going to do, and finish cleaning up from working on the porch all day. Well, so you can't actually see behind me. Well, part of the yard is mowed. I've mowed top acre that surrounds the house, along with all of the other stuff I've done. It took about 2.5-ish hours. Yeah, about 2.5. As you can see behind me though, the sky is getting darker. The frogs are out. Nighttime. Sort of. It's been a long day. There's been a lot accomplished. See how this comes together. I have no idea. This could be a short video. This could be a long video. But hey, if you've enjoyed today's content and the vlog, hit the like button. If you want to see more of my daily vlogs, hit the subscribe button and then ring the notification bell so you get notified when I post. That being said, we'll see what tomorrow holds. I don't know at the moment. We'll see. On that note though, see you tomorrow.